So I got to the office too late to do the teardown video for the Lexus GX360 transmission I told you guys about. But here it is. And I will try to get here on time when they're doing the actual rebuild and get you a video, at least of part of the process, and explain what's going on. And the transmission is for this Lexus GX you see right here. As you can see, that is where it came out of. So the minute the rebuild is done, ouch, I bumped my head. It will be reassembled. And then I will do a video. And the reverse problem should be fixed. And then I will let you know what warranty the vehicle will have, whether it'll be a 6-month or a 1 year.